In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete templates on Gmail. If you've ever saved a few email templates in Gmail and later realized you don't need some of them, cleaning them up is quick and helps keep your Compose menu tidy. Templates are great for saving time, but too many can get in the way when you're composing new messages. Here's how to remove the ones you no longer use. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. Next, click the Compose button to open a new message window. This step is important because the menu you'll need only appears inside the Compose window. At the bottom right of that Compose box, look for the 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. Click it to open a list of additional tools. In that list, find Templates and hover or click to open the Template submenu. You'll see several template-related options there. Choose Delete Template. When you select Delete Template, another small menu will appear showing all the templates you've saved. This is where you choose the specific one you want to remove. Click the name of the template you no longer need, and Gmail will delete it. You should see a brief confirmation message at the bottom of the screen letting you know it's been removed. A few quick notes to keep things clear. Deleting a template only removes the saved template itself. It doesn't delete any emails you've already sent or drafts that were created from it. If a template contains content you might want later, consider copying that text somewhere safe before you delete it, because there isn't an undo button for templates. If you don't see the templates option in the More Options menu, it may be disabled in your Gmail settings. Once enabled, it will appear here whenever you open the Compose window. Also, templates are a desktop feature, so the steps work best in a web browser rather than the mobile app. If you want to keep your list organized, you can repeat this process to delete multiple templates in one sitting. Just open Compose, go to the 3-dot menu, head to Templates, choose Delete Template, and select the next one you want to remove. In a minute or two, your template list will be clean and easy to navigate, and that's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly delete any Gmail template you no longer use and keep your email workflow simple and efficient.